how to convert image to a Word document. So if you want to convert an image to a Word document, then for example, I'll be showing you an image which I'll be converting to a Word document. So here I have this image, right? And I want to convert this to a Word document. So what you need to do is simply open up your Word at first. Open the Word document or application and then go with a blank document. Once you're on your document, now you need to go with the insert option, which is on the upper left, and then go with pictures. Go with this device option and then choose the image that you would like to add. And once you've added the image, now you just need to simply go with file, which is on the upper left, go with save as, and here you can simply choose the location where you would like to save. So for example, I'll be choosing downloads, and then here under save as type, you need to simply select the type as PDF and then go with save. Now once you've saved, you will have this kind of PDF, right? So once you've saved, you need to simply go back and then again go with the newly saved PDF. So in order to do that, you just need to simply go with file, which is on the upper left, go with open, go with browse, and then choose the document which you have just saved. Go with open and it will take you to this kind of interface where your image has been converted to a document on Word. So in this way, you'll be able to convert image to a Word document. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.